This is one of my favorite bathrooms in the house. I love this bathroom. It has a great shower. But one thing about this bathroom, it's in the basement. It's cold in the winter. We are gonna fix that today, and we're gonna install this wall hung heater, a small unit. We're gonna put it on the wall right up here because there is a plug right down there. In the instructions, it says to put it at least 15 3/4 from the ceiling. I'm not worried about the floor or the walls because we're wide open. We're gonna go 16 inches from the ceiling. I am not gonna make it level. I'm gonna measure down and make a line that's 16 inches from the ceiling, consistent, so your eye doesn't look at it. If there's a problem with the ceiling, you won't notice. So we're gonna go, I'm already at 1.5 inches because of that molding. So if we go 14.5, take us to about 16. We'll say 16 is here. I'm gonna go 14 3/4 right there. 14 3/4 right there. All right, and just lightly put a line. In the instructions, they say you need 2 holes 15.85 apart. I don't know how to do 15.85, so we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna do this the easy way. I'm going to take some masking tape and put some tape across. I'm being very careful to put it at the same spot height-wise on the feet. Right there's where my holes are. No measuring, no nothing. Now, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this on my line. There, now I know exactly where my holes are gonna go. I know that it's level with the ceiling and I don't have to measure. I'm not going all the way in because the way this works like a picture, you kind of push it over the screws and let it drop in. I'm gonna take off my tape. There we go. Easy as that. And that is now installed on the wall. It's straight with the ceiling. Let's plug it in and try it. Looks like it's already set to 67. And at this point, I can use the remote. Turn it on. Nice. Let's boost the temperature. We're probably, this is the set temperature. So it was at 68, and that's about normal. It can get down to 66 in this room. So this is our current temperature, and I can feel the heat starting to come out. There's a lot of heat in there. That's good. All right, let's see what this remote can do. You've got a timer. You can set up a clock so it shows the time. It has manual mode. The plus and minus are increase and decrease, obviously. OK button for quick confirmation of the timer. Optional for normal operation. Window detection. Okay, so window detection, if it detects that the ambient temperature is 9 degrees lower than the default temperature, it'll go into standby. So it's basically going to save you money. If somebody left a window open, we're not going to heat the outside. That's pretty cool. And then the rest of the buttons, we can do weekly timer settings. We can set the day for the weekly timer, set the startup time, select the program, and set the shutdown time. That is the remote. There's a lot you can do with this heater. This is a neat little heater. I plan on getting a lot of use out of it. It's not noisy, but it doesn't take up a lot of space whatsoever. And that is gonna make my basement bathroom tolerable this winter.